let you see, number one, the box size, and then me opening it, and then I'll be able to get into it a little bit more. So far, at first glance, the frame seems to be really cool, really nice quality. There's a hanger to hang it. Oh, a hanger to hang it. And then there's little bumpers down here. You can see that. So there you have it. What do you think? And so together we built a life we loved. Chuck and Jen, 12/24/02. Good. All of the fades and stuff they did look really good. The shades, shadows. This spot right here looks a little wonky, but it could just be the wood. Just right there. I think it's gorgeous, and definitely suggest using them and getting products like this. A lot of wedding stuff. Basically, you name it, they have it. I didn't notice this picture I gave them has my little comb showing, but that's okay. That's what I looked like, so it's gorgeous. I love it, and I need to find a place to hang it up. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. Highly suggest using them. Link is in the description box below. And thanks for watching.